today you'll be learning some teaching ideas for Google Earth. In the waffle, you have your account, your search, your Voyager, your projects, your map style, your photos, settings, feedback, and help. Help is going to be like if you have questions about it, it'll go. If you search and you search for where we are, Montrose, it'll bring you up to Montrose. But if you search a town, it'll show you all their boundary lines. So as you can see, everything outlined in red is Montrose. This steering wheel is the Voyager, as you can see. There's everything, great hikes around the world, 3D imaging, time-lapse in Google Earth, quiz animal sounds, and sea level rise, and the fate of coastal cities. And you go down and there's all of these, and everything here has something to do. So for whale sharks, for example, it'll come and you'll hit explore. Then it'll come around to parts of the earth where there are whale sharks. Once hunters come in, it's probably this tiny island down here. Good person. There's not anything. But come back out. That little person there is street view. So anywhere there's a blue dot or line, you can click on it. It'll bring you in, and you'll be a person standing right there. So as you can see, we got the beach out there. There's a little boat. Probably got the sun. Bird. Oh, there's the sun. Got some birds. Rocks on the sidewalk. There's some scootist. You got the person's car and family. And you go out, and then you can head out of Voyager, and you'll still be right there. And you can spin the Earth around and see the Milky Way. Can't see any other planets. So this is the dice. It'll just take you to random spots around the Earth, like Narya Island. And just random spots. Do it again, and now we're going to Vancouver seawall. And do it again, and we're going to Fitzwana Place, I guess. Do it again, and Pearl City. And do it again. You can just go anywhere, pretty much. See, anywhere. Anywhere you want to go, it could possibly be there. Okay, this is projects. In this, you can create a new project and new features. Search to add place. We'll just go to Montrose. Okay, it'll bring us up, and now we have this place. Okay, so Montrose, add to project. Okay. You can change it, X, firework, I, house, bed, monument, historical building, star, camping, anything really. And you can change the color of what you want it to be. So I can make it green, and then that turns green there. And then it's there. And then you can go back, stay, new feature. You can draw a line, folder, anything. Search to add another place. Vietnam. Search to this. It'll bring us up and out of United States and over to Vietnam. Right over here. Perfect. Add to project. Again, hiking, hard, restaurant. Anything. do an X there. Make it red. You can have all that. For here, you can just replace that. And here, so just like that, and that's all you gotta do. Go like this, and now you have Vietnam and Montrose. And then you can present, and it'll start by bringing us to Montrose. House. Because this is where we are, and this is where I live. So, yeah. And then you go next down here. It'll bring us all the way to Vietnam. And there it is. Got all their names. Thought from up here and all the way up. And then you hit back and you're out of that. Back again. No more projects. Okay, this is the map style. So if we go in the waffle, you can tell that map style. Clean, no borders, labels, places or roads. So yeah, it'll never show anything, because if we came out and we're looking for towns, it wouldn't bring them up. Exploration is the complete opposite. Now you got borders. Come in further, you got some towns, roads, everything. You got water, roads, everything, highways, the whole 9 yards. And custom, choose your own look and feel. Clouds on borders and labels, places, roads, transit, landmarks, water. Now like this, human structures, natural features, transit, transit lines, trains, terminals and stops, roads, highways, local roads, just everything. And then turn on that, turn on that. Now the world's a grid and you can get exactly where you want to go. For example, coming out of here, go in search, and go in 158. Degrees, which I can't find anywhere. 158 T degrees north and 689 degrees west. Search that, and there's nothing there. But basically, it was 90 degrees north and south, and let's see here. Yep, but you can do degrees. So go through and show you exactly their lines. And then you have this measuring stick. If we go through and twist the world around till we find some land, decent sized land, up, zoom out a bit maybe. There we go. There's Montrose. You can add that. And then you can go like this all the way down here into Fort Worth, Texas. Come back to Santa Fe. And then we can go all the way to Wichita. Then Tulsa. Las Vegas. And then we don't have to stay local either. Let's not stay local. That's a bit too far. We can just come around Africa and all this. Let's see. There's Australia. Do a point there. There's Vietnam. Do something there. There's Ukraine, and Poland, Sweden. So you can go anywhere you want pretty much, except really space. Don't think you can do that, but sure, why not? We'll try. Got a spot there. Yep. Got a spot there. Come back through, go like that. Come all the way around through past Africa, and look, there's the start of our shape. Zoom in and close. Now when you zoom out, get this beautiful ship looking thing. And then you just go somewhere else and it's still there. You go like this. Photos turn on. There's going to be photos of all those places. This, and poof, it all goes away. And come back to map style, to waffle. Good waffle. Just turn the photos off, and boom, everything's there. So, teaching ideas, now that you know how to use it, would be to go through and make a web quest or a sheet where they have to find a pair of coordinates and then mark that place down, or to go through and find about animals, possibly to go through and learn literature of other countries. Really, you can do anything. You can go through and see the pyramids of Giza. It's all just one great thing, and it's Earth. And then if you don't want those grids, you just go back into map style. Come down in grid lens, animated clouds, and then just go back to exploration. And there you go. And thank you for watching my tutorial on Google Earth.